Learn English. Hello, everyone. Number 1, do you drink? Correct. Number 2, I will take care. Yeah, that's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob drinks coffee every day. Bob drinks coffee every day. Bob drinks coffee every day. Coffee is a drink made from coffee beans. Now we can make a flashcard for coffee and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write coffee up here in the top left corner. C-O-F-F-E-E. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here, the number 14 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Coffee. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We take care of my father every day. We take care of my father every day. We take care of my father because he is very old. He cannot take care of himself. Now we can make a flashcard for take care of. We also use it for a baby. And we use it for animals. Please make a card like this. The basic form, to take care of somebody or something, a dog. Down here, vid 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here, the number 69 out of 76. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Take care of. Take care of. Game over. You did very well today. Do you drink coffee? Yeah, some people think it's healthy. Some people think it's bad for you. Number 2, I will take care of it. Yeah, that means I will handle it. I will do it. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is an amount of money that you can spend. Budget, correct. Number 2 is a place where you can drive your car near your home. Driveway, very good, with a Y. Number 3 is when you have 2 things and you want to know the similarities and the differences. You compare, correct. Today is Saturday, September 21st. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating every 2 years. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side. How do you say coffee in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thanks for watching. If you like, please share. See you tomorrow.